Hello again. Welcome to learning vowel sounds, consonants, digraphs with me. Last time we looked at air and Here's our word. Air. Chair. It's what we sit on. Chair. And the sound is our word. D. Bird. Flies in the sky. Bird. Today we're looking at ow. Ow. Shout it out. Look at the boy. Shout it out. Ow. Two letters together, the O and the That makes ow. Let's look at some words. Shh. It's our new sound. Ow. T. Shout. Shout. So when you're on the playground or when you want to call for something, you shout their name. Shout. Okay? Ow. D. Ow. D. Found. So that's the past tense of the word to find. Past tense of the word to find something. Look for it. You find it. Past tense. I found something. Okay? Found. The next sound we're going to look at is oi. So we've looked at ow and we said oi. Toy for a boy. Toy for a boy. Oi. Oi. So let's use this side of the board now. B. Oi. Boy. J. Good. Oi. Joy. When you think of a queen or a king, we could use this word. Oi. Royal. Royal. The king and queen are royal. Okay, so there's some more digraphs that we've looked at. Okay, keep practicing. Keep practicing. I know you watch my videos a lot. I really appreciate you watching them. Next time, we're going to look at different ways of using these two letters. K and K. That's that's next time. We're going to use different ways of using those, especially when we're writing. So you need to understand which sound to put in your words for different spellings. And I'm going to help you with that next lesson. All right. Thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'll reply to any messages you send me. All right. See you again soon. Bye bye.